There are three stages of cellular respiration: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and electron transport chain. Krebs cycle, NADH2 and FADH2 are produced, which enters electron transport chain and converted into ATP. NADH2 and FADH2 are initial electron carriers. The electrons are transferred into various electron carriers present in electron transport chain and then finally get accepted by oxygen. Total 10 NADH2 and 2 FADH2 are produced in Krebs cycle and glycolysis. There are various electrons carriers like cytochrome. This is structure of cytochrome. It consists of iron. Iron is present in +3 oxidation state. When it accepts electron, it is converted into Fe2 plus. Same in iron sulfur protein also iron is present, which is also present in +3 oxidation state, and after accepting electron it gets converted into +2 state. Coenzyme Q, which is known as ubiquinone, is one of the electron carriers in electron transport chain. Ubiquinone accepts 2 electrons and get converted into ubiquinol. Electrons are carried out by NADH2 and FADH2, which are then passed through various electron acceptors in electron transport chain. In electron transport chain, there are 4 types of complexes, which is complex 1, complex 2, complex 3, and complex 4. In all complexes, various electron carriers like cytochrome, iron sulfur proteins are present. Complex 1 is known as NADH dehydrogenase of FMN containing flavoproteins and iron sulfur clusters. There are 7 iron sulfur clusters are present in NADH dehydrogenase. Electrons from NADH2 enters complex 1 and then it is transferred to FMN containing flavoproteins. After that, they are transferred to 7 iron sulfur clusters and it is then transferred to ubiquinone. Ubiquinone accepts electron from complex 1 and then transferred them to the complex 3. Ubiquinone is mobile molecule. It can easily travel from complex 1 carrying electrons to complex 3. Complex 2 accepts electron from FADH2 which is produced in Krebs cycle in succinate to fumarate conversion step, and then electrons are transferred to iron sulfur cluster in complex 2 and then they are accepted by ubiquinone. Ubiquinone carries electrons from complex 1 as well as complex 2 to complex 3. Complex 3 is known as cytochrome C reductase. It consists of 2 cytochrome B and 1 cytochrome C and only 1 iron sulfur cluster. Electrons are transferred to complex 3 by ubiquinone are first accepted by iron sulfur protein, then cytochrome C and then 2 cytochrome B accept the electrons, which is known as proton motive Q cycle. In proton motive cycle, it is shown that how electron from complexes 1 and 2 enters complex 3 and then further transferred to cytochrome C. Cytochrome C accepts electron from complex 3 and then transferred them to complex 4. In complex 4, electrons are finally transferred to oxygen, which is then converted into water